it's been going off and on.
Is there anything that could be making it?
It's on a chair.
And the flashlight?
Yep. And the cat ball's next to the flashlight.
Is it going on and off?
No, the cat ball has not.
Oh my gosh, I need to get Dale. What's the deal with me? Because he never gets a zero. If the man is still here that I was talking to earlier, hi, wow. That's, awesome.
Someone else here too?
I think the man we were talking to earlier is here.
Uh-huh. It's really cold in here, isn't it?
Okay, my crystals are moving in my pocket again.
So just down this little hallway straight ahead is where these figures are hanging out right now, just so you know.
And they're not, it's not mapping anything.
No.
Because there's nothing there to map. But they're on this side of the door.
And that's the staircase, right? Or that's another hallway.
Yeah. Can you wave at us again? Thank you.
That's a wave.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you don't want to make them cross, could you at least point them in the direction you would like us to go? To maybe go talk to somebody who wants to come use these rides?
Nebraska.
We're not going to Nebraska. But thank you for the option.
You're doing a great job. Great job. Use Ashley's energy and spin that bigger. That is really good. Thank you.
Could you make it stop now, please, in the middle? Okay, instead of swinging it in a circle, can you swing it back and forth, just in a straight line?
Side to side. Good
Oh my
job.
god, I've got such chills right now.
Good job. Can you show it bigger? Swing it bigger, side to side, bigger. Thank you.
Suggest.
And three.
How many flashlights do we have set up? 3. All 3 of them? So mine 2 and your black one?
No, my black one is. Oh, yes, 4. Is that the 4th one right there? Yes. Thank you. Thank
So
you
blue
very
ones-
much.
Thank you.
Gosh, this
Oh,
is nuts. Oh my god, what was that? Tina.
What?
Garrett.
Garrett. Garrett. Garrett. Is your name Garrett? Can you light up a something? Flashlight? Oh, yeah. Garrett. Wow. Okay. Can you turn that flashlight back off? Whispering. Okay.
I was listening to your conversation earlier.
I just got chills. Okay. Now.
But see if you can make it do something on command.
Okay, it's going towards you and then back towards me.
It's going side to side, so
Side
can
to
it go
side.
front to back?
Can you make that shackle move in a clockwise circle, please?
It's circling.
Is it?
Can you see it? Does my flashlight help or no?
Yeah, that your flashlight definitely helps.
It looks like it's circling to me.
It is circling now. It wasn't a minute ago.
Can you make that bigger, please?
Flashlight.
Flashlight, can you make that circle bigger, please?
Can you hold this? And then count, say it out loud if it says anything.
California.
Okay.
Are you from California?
Sorry. And I did say clockwise. Now it's going.
And I need you to get it together.
Yeah, we need.
Get it together.
Okay.
Which one is that?
That's the meter.
I mean, but where's it at?
On this kitchen counter.
Okay, something's draining this battery. Because it's looking like it's about to go dead. Nope, just kidding.
Move that thing so we can see it better. Thank you.
Cap
Okay. Huh?
Cap on.
Cat ball? Cat ball. Alright, so.
Halt again!
Halt.
Yep.
Halt. Again, that's what, 5?
Where do we need to go?
What do you want us to do? What is in this cabinet? Let's just look what's in it. Empty?
Branded cabinet that's not installed.
That was us.
Yeah.
Alright. Something's going on. You gotta turn the flashlight on if you drain the batteries.
I'm trying to see what I can.
That was constantly flashing,
It was.
which indicates a good battery.
The smoke.
And there it goes.
No way.
The red light is not flashing at all. And now it's going off. Can you turn that off? That is really, really hard. Can you turn that off?
I need you to back away from the smoke detector. Back away from it.
Now, if it was going dead, it would just blip.
Where would,
Know
okay.
what's happening?
It was just
Smoke
sitting.
detector's sitting right here.
That was here.
What is happening
The smoke
right
detector
now?
was over here. Then we moved over here. The EMF meter.
What?
What just
Where did
happened?
that come from? Dale, where did this come
It
from?
was in my rear pocket.
It
Did it
flew
come
out
out
of your
itself?
pocket?
I didn't touch it.
It came out of your pocket?
I didn't touch it.
Okay, so.
Oh my god. This one just went off too?
Yes!
Do we need to get the hell out of here?
We need to get the SLS camera.
Okay.